Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is January 10, 2024, Wednesday, option expiry for Bank Nifty. First the levels, then the power of technical analysis. What is the level? Fin Nifty 21,224.30, 0.24 or something percent up. Bank Nifty 47,360.85, 0.25% up. Nifty 21,618.70, 0.34% up. So Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty formed a piercing pattern type of a candle, or tomorrow if it opens gap up, or if a green candle is formed, which most likely it will form. It is a combination of these three. Will be a yesterday, today and tomorrow's candle will be a morning star candle. So it has enabled to form a morning star tomorrow. That way we can put it. Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty, both. And in fact, both almost touch the Bollinger lower band. If you recollect yesterday, for Fin Nifty, for Bank Nifty levels, we said that even that level can hold. We don't know. We have to see how it is going. Okay, so it held and it formed a solid green candle. It is definitely a reversal. Before we go into details of Nifty, first, what the power of technical analysis? What is the level that we set for Bank Nifty yesterday? We had said that the 10-week exponential moving average is something which one can look for a solid support, which is at 46,652. Of course, we had even said that the lower band will hold, but we have to see. On the upward side, we said it is very clear, 2023 close, which was at 48,292.25. It never went there. It closed at 47,360.85. In fact, the low was somewhere around 47,000 some odd levels, just touching the Bollinger lower band. That is the power of technical analysis. I am surprised when people say that I didn't know, I will never trade this is untradeable, nothing like that. You don't know how to trade because you don't know technical analysis. That means all these days, if you have made money, you have relied on luck. There is no luck here, right? See, when I am not well, I take medicine. Is it luck? No. But my life, how long will I live? It is luck. It is God's gift. So there is a huge difference between these two. God has given us intelligence. We don't use that. And we say that this is not tradable. NSE has so many products. SEBI has opened. All these things. These are all nonsense talks. Okay. If you want to trade, trade. If you don't want to trade, don't trade. If you want to trade and be a successful trader, learn technical analysis. That is what we will say. You can see the power of technical analysis. Every day we give the support and resistance levels, and in fact, because we are not SEBI registered, we give a broad indicators. But internally, we have a very strong, closer support and resistance level, such that we can get good amount of money and consistent money, right? Anyway, that is a different story. Nifty, what did it form? Nifty, if you recollect, I have been telling that it never went below the Bollinger Middle Band and the exponential moving average. So today also it never went there. In fact, the leg was slightly lower, but it formed a powerful green candle, a powerful reversal. In fact, Nifty is all set for a big up move in the coming days. Hence, now one has to be extremely intelligent if they were shorting, or extremely stupid to short Nifty at this time, because it is showing powerful undertone. Okay, so hence one has to be extremely careful. Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, on the other hand, though it formed reversal candle, it's still below the exponential moving average. However, if tomorrow there is chance that it can go up decisively, if that happens, then probably the week it will end with a long leg doji. That is a probability in all the indices. If that happens, then yes, we have to see how the next week move happens. But at least for this week, the gap up bulls are not allowed bears to take control of the gap up. That is what I would say at the end of this week. So Nifty also, Nifty formed in fact the most powerful candle and powerful indicator in Nifty. That is how it is. Now let's go into the individual components. Bank, AU, Axis Bank, SBI 1% down, ICICI Indus 1% up, Yes Bank 5% up. So Yes Bank is something which we have been telling, like looking good. So it moved up 5%. Financials, Bajaj Twins, Chola, IDFC, Shriram 1% down, M&M Finance 2% down, Manappuram had a big fall of 5%. On the insurance and cards, LIC and HDFC Life 1% up, others remained flat. Oil and telecom, Reliance had a big move of 3%. That's why now Nifty had a fabulous move upwards. Okay, Nifty alone, HDFC Bank didn't support, but I would say it supported in a different way. It didn't fall. It formed flat. That means that itself is sufficient for Nifty to go up. It closed slightly more than yesterday's close. So that's enough, right? So that means there is a support coming for Nifty. When Reliance taking it up powerfully. On IT, Infi and Intellect 1% down. Coforge, LTIM, TCS, Wipro 1% up. LTTS 2% up. Birlasoft 3% up. Consumer goods, ABFRL, Britannia, PVR 1% down, Colpal 2% down. It followed up with yesterday's fall, yet another fall today. Page and Trend 2% up. All others remain sideways. In the automobiles, Ashok Leyland and Eicher Motor 1% down, Bharat Forge, Hero Motors, Tata Motors 1% up, Motherson 2% up. Metals, coal 1% down, NMDC 3% down. On the upward side, Hindalco, JSW and SAIL 1% up. National Aluminium and Vedanta 2% up. Health and Pharma, Divi's 2% down. Metropolis 3% down. Dr. Reddy, Lalpath 1% up. Thyrocare 2% up. Cipla had a big move of 3%. In the others category, Aries, Godrej Properties, Ultratech 1% down. DLF, Adani Ports, Havels, Polycab, Nykaa 1% up. Adani Enterprise, Delta Corp, Indigo, IRCTC 2% up. With all these things, what is the option expiry level we are looking for? On the lower side, it is very easy. Why it is very easy? The 20-day exponential moving average. First is the Bollinger Middle Band, below which is the 20-day exponential moving average. Unless otherwise something dramatic happens, this 20-day exponential moving average is a fantastic support for Nifty. Why? In all these days when Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty in fact threatened to break down the Bollinger lower band, Nifty never, not even one day or even for a moment, it went below the Bollinger Middle Band even during intraday. Hence, that is a very powerful support. Below the Bollinger Middle Band is a 20-day exponentially moving average. So, it's a solid support. So, hence, that is very easy. It's a dynamic level again. It is at 2394. So, on the upward side, what is the thing? It is very difficult to say. I am telling you, it's on a strong bullish trend. And hence, the all-time high which it formed is the first support which one can see whether it is holding. Then, if that is also not holding, the only level that one can safely, the all-time high is 21,834 something, 0.35 or something. If that also doesn't hold, the next realistic level one can look at is the daily Bollinger upper band, which is now at 21,931. Again, this is a dynamic level. Hence, tomorrow when the trading happens, what is the level we don't know. That time only any trading charts will, any site will give that levels. That is something which one can think of. Thank you very much.